Welcome to this tutorial on how to pay with Monzo on your phone. Monzo is a digital bank that allows you to manage your finances and make payments directly from your mobile device. To get started, you will need to have a Monzo account and the Monzo app installed on your phone. First, open the Monzo app and log into your account using your username and password or fingerprint ID. Once you are logged in, you will see your account balance and a list of your recent transactions. To make a payment, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the payment screen where you can choose the type of payment you want to make. You can pay a contact, pay a business, or make a bank transfer. If you want to pay a contact, select the Pay a Contact option and choose the contact you want to pay from your phone book or enter their details manually. Enter the amount you want to pay and add a description if you want to. Then tap the Pay button to send the payment. If you want to pay a business, select the Pay a Business option and enter the details of the business you want to pay. You can search for the business by name or enter their account details manually. Enter the amount you want to pay and add a description if you want to. Then tap the Pay button to send the payment. To make a bank transfer, select the Bank Transfer option and enter the account details of the recipient. You will need to enter the account number, sort code, and the amount you want to pay. You can also add a description if you want to. Then tap the Pay button to send the payment. When you make a payment, Monzo will send you a notification to confirm that the payment has been sent. You can also view your recent transactions in the app to see the status of your payment. It is also important to note that you can use Monzo to make contactless payments in stores or online. To do this, you will need to add your Monzo card to your phone's digital wallet, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. Then you can use your phone to make payments at contactless payment terminals or online. In addition to making payments, the Monzo app also allows you to manage your account and stay on top of your finances. You can view your account balance, see your recent transactions, and set budgeting goals. You can also freeze your card if you lose it or suspect that it has been stolen. In conclusion, paying with Monzo on your phone is a quick and easy process. By following these steps, you can make payments to contacts, businesses, or make bank transfers directly from your mobile device. Remember to always keep your Monzo app and account information up to date to ensure that your payments are processed smoothly and securely.